Thank you for watching my previous video that was based on the introductory section of the Python bootcamp. So in this section, we are going to see the history of Python and why we should learn Python. So let's begin and go each by one. So what is Python? So Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and large ecosystem. Python was created by Guido van Rossum, first released in 1991, and designed to emphasize code readability. And why the name Python? The Python name comes from the committee circus Python Monty Python's flying circus. First, Python development started in late 1980s at Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica in Netherlands. There are there are multiple versions of Python released. So first, Python 1.0 was released in 1994. Python 2.0 released in 2000, and Python 3.0 was released in 2008. And Python 3 currently the latest version of Python is 3.14, but the modern Python version used today. Why Python became so popular? Because it is easy to learn, the clean syntax with a large community and huge ecosystem of library. So there are some very key features that makes Python popular in the industry. First one is simple, readable syntax, interpreted language, cross-platform, extensive library, and open source. So there are various now. So in this section we will cover. We have seen the history of Python and the work. What are the all various Python version releases and author who has invented it. So thank you for watching this video. We will soon soon come up with a new section of video. In that section, we will see why we should learn Python, what is the various use of Python, and the company which are using the Python as a programming language. So if you find this video is more useful, then please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.